Hello everyone, I'm Miss Khin from the Eastlake Public Library. Today we're going to make an origami boat. Origami is the Japanese art of paper folding, so let's fold a paper boat together. All you need is a piece of paper, white or any color will do. I'm going to use a printer paper, 8.5 inches by 11 inches. First, fold the paper in half from top edge towards the bottom edge. Then fold it again in half from this edge to that edge. Unfold it, fold this corner to the center line and repeat with this corner. Let's fold this corner to the center line. And fold this corner to the center line. Now fold the bottom part of the paper on this side upwards like this. And repeat with this side. Fold the bottom part of the paper on this side upwards like this. Look carefully. Now I'm going to pull those sides. This side outwards like this. And flatten it. Okay. Fold this corner upwards. Turn it over. Fold this corner upwards. Pull those sides, this one and this one, outwards. And flatten it. Now I will pull those corners away from each other. And fluff the middle of the bottom of the boat. Like this. Your origami boat is ready to float. Decorate your boat with stickers or color it. Use crayons when you color your boat. Since crayons are oil and wax based, they will help your boat float a little longer in the water. Or you can cover your boat with aluminum foil or just play with it. Have a good one. See you next week.